push and defense. Do 50, 2 sets, like before. Okay. Watch. Let's say you are pushing hit down, your partner is defense. So you're ready, racket here. Look, hit, 1, 2, 3, ready, here, 1, 2, there, here, there, 1, 2, here. Please focus on my racket. Should be here. Grip should be ready grip. Ready grip, backhand, ready, forehand, ready. Watch my racket, please. Hit, ready, there, 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 ready. Not forehand or backhand. Do not change grip already. Wait. Wait, hit, wait, hit, wait, hit, wait, hit, wait. Ready. Here. 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 Not here. Now feet. Watch feet. When before my opponent hits it, I don't know where he will hit. So my feet must be side by side. Look, hit, look again. That's practice point. Focus on my feet, please. Look, hit, 1, look, 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 look. So now you are practicing return, defense. So racket here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Stop. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so hit, ready. Here. Not hit, ready. Hit, ready. Stop. It's a crucial practice. Hit, ready, 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 hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready. Hit, ready, 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 hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready. Step. When my partner is hitting, look, shuttle is flying, move, look, move, every single time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There, there. 1, 2. Wrong way. Because I moved here. I already here. I guessed. I was hoping my opponent hit here. Feet. Many players practice this way. Stop. feet stuck, hitting here. Compare.